My Haiti documentary part 5.
We have to cross. So this is the border right there. We have to cross the border, yeah. But people across the border, man. This is from in a DR to go in a Haiti right now. Hey. I know you can't tell, say sun hot. So we out here see him here. We out here in a line like some real local people with it. No, I'm through my boss. This is what crossing the border is like, my father. Yeah.
It's different. Right?
That is it, man.
It's different.
Different life. Anywhere you go on the earth, everything different.
Yeah.
But this, me never. So me out of the here now. I know me there in the middle of nowhere. Literally me here.
Now you're in Haiti.
Now they are Haiti. Trouble there, you know? Trouble blood clot there. Nah, tell us,